Welcome back to Design Time. If you've been feeling like your kitchen could use a little love, but a full renovation just isn't in the cards, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 22 ways to make your kitchen look more expensive without spending a lot of money. These ideas are simple, beautiful, and approachable for every style, from farmhouse to modern. And I'll give you some tips if you're creating a home that you want to enjoy for years to come. Let's get started. One of the easiest updates is to swap out your cabinet hardware. Choose brushed brass, matte black, or champagne bronze for a fresh, high-end feel. Go for a cohesive look by matching knobs and pulls throughout the room. Add under cabinet lighting. Battery-operated LED strips give you that soft designer glow and make your kitchen feel instantly more polished. Paint or refinish the cabinets. Even just painting lower cabinets a grounding color like sage, navy, or a warm grayish can instantly elevate the room. Upgrade your faucet. A sleek, modern faucet with a pull-down sprayer is not only practical, but can feel very high-end, even on a modest budget. Install a peel-and-stick backsplash. These are easier than ever to apply, and come in beautiful finishes like marble, subway tile, or even antique mirror. Update your canisters. Decant pantry staples into clear jars for a clean, luxe look. Style the countertop like a magazine shoot. Instead of clutter, choose just a few items: a wooden cutting board, a beautiful bowl of fruit, a cookbook on a stand, or a vase of fresh herbs. Add a soft, textured runner. A rug runner in the kitchen adds texture, color, and warmth and instantly makes the space feel finished. Display a few cookware pieces. Copper pots, vintage ceramic bowls, or a pretty Dutch oven can be both functional and decorative when left out intentionally. Upgrade the light fixtures. Swapping dated pendants or flush mount lights for something a little more modern or sculptural can dramatically change the look and feel of your kitchen. Turn a low drawer into a pull-out feeding station with built-in dog bowls. It keeps things tidy and makes daily cleanup easier, and it looks custom. Add pull-out trays and drawer dividers. A more organized kitchen not only functions better, but feels expensive and looks elegant. Choose wood or bamboo accents. Whether it's a cutting board, a utensil holder, or drawer inserts, these natural materials add warmth and elevate the space. Upgrade the interior of your cabinets. A coat of paint or peel-and-stick wallpaper inside your cabinets or drawers adds a thoughtful surprise every time you open them. Add a small lamp for soft, ambient lighting on a countertop or floating shelf. It instantly elevates the space and makes it feel cozy in the evenings. If you have a bit of open shelving, style it with care. Think a stack of white dishes, a couple of cookbooks, a small plant, and a pretty candle or ceramic vase. Keep it balanced and minimal for a boutique look. Include natural elements. A wooden bowl with seasonal fruit, a bundle of eucalyptus in a vase, or even a small potted plant can add life and warmth. Art isn't just for living rooms. A small, framed piece, like a food-themed print, botanical sketch, or vintage landscape, adds personality and makes the space feel curated. Swap out mismatched dish towels for a small set in complementary colors or textures, like linen or waffle weave. It's a small change, but it gives a tidy, cohesive look. Corral your soap dispenser, scrub brush, and lotion onto a small tray by the sink. This keeps the space looking intentional, rather than cluttered. Whether you use it for fruit, muffins, or simply as decor, a pretty cake stand or footed bowl adds vertical interest and a boutique look. Switch outlet covers and switch plates. This is such an overlooked detail, but changing out old, yellowed, or builder-grade covers for new ones, in a clean white or coordinating finish, can subtly elevate the entire room. At the end of the day, your kitchen doesn't need to be big, expensive, or brand new to feel beautiful. It just needs to feel like you, comfortable, welcoming, and thoughtfully cared for. Every little update you make is part of building a home you truly love. They say, the kitchen is the heart of the home, and I think that rings true no matter what season of life you're in. It's not only where we cook, but it's where we connect, and create some of our most meaningful memories. If you enjoyed these ideas, I'd love it if you'd subscribe, give this video a like, or share it with someone who's dreaming of a kitchen refresh too. Thanks so much for spending this time with me. I'll see you in the next video.